right, guys, we're going to use the same, this, with the picture on it, pancakes, for lesson 2. And we're going to go to where it says 13.1, right here. Okay, so here we go. I'm just going to read to you, try to follow along. 13.1, collecting and tabulating data. Lesson objective, collect, organize, and tabulate data. Collect and tabulate data. Sean wants to find how students in his class get to school. To do this, he can collect the data by using one of the 3 methods. Method 1, carrying out observations. Sean can stand at the school door in the morning to observe how his classmates arrive at school. Method 2, conducting surveys through interviews. Sean can interview his classmates to find out how they get to school. Method 3, conducting surveys using a questionnaire. Sean can prepare a questionnaire for his classmates to complete, such as the one below. There's this questionnaire to ask children if they walk, if they bike, if they bus, or they car to school. Next page, next page. Okay, Sean uses a tally chart to record the results of his survey. Then he counts the tally marks to find how many students use each form of transportation. How my classmates get to school. So basically, they just took the tally marks and turned it into the frequency, which is the number of the tally marks. Walking is 8, bus is 13, bicycle is 4, and car is 5. And so it says, 8 of Sean's classmates walk to school. The most common form of transportation is by bus. Yes, I would agree. The most common form. The most children ride bus. The least common form of transportation is by bicycle. Least common? Yeah, I would agree. There is one more classmate who comes to school by car than by bicycle. Sean collected data from 30 classmates altogether, excluding himself. And then it says up here, frequency refers to how often a piece of data, such as an item or a number, occurs. Okay, gotta practice. Complete. Use the data in the table. Emma used a questionnaire to find out the number of brothers or sisters her classmates have in their families. Copy and complete the table by counting the tally marks. Okay, so I've actually already done this for you, but it's just so darn easy. I bet you guys have already done it while I was reading. So your tally marks turns into the frequency, right? So there's 9 here, 7 here, 5 here, 2 here, and 1 here. Okay, so this is the number of brothers or sisters. All right, so how many children had 3 brothers or sisters? 5 children. How many children had 2 brothers or sisters? 7 children, okay? So we're gonna go to the next page. It's the final page. I've actually already done the first one on here. More of Emma's classmates have blank brothers, sisters than any other number. Which one is the most common, guys? By looking at this chart. Would you agree that it would be 1? Because there's 9 children that have 1 brother or sister. So that is the most frequent one. Okay, so you would say 1. Number 3, blank of Emma's classmates have 3 brothers or sisters in their families. Let's see if I can pull the tally over this way. Let's do this. On the same page, possibly. All right. Blank of Emma's classmates have 3 brothers or sisters in their families. Numbers of brothers, sisters, would you say that it is 5? So you should have written a 5 there. Blank of Emma's classmates have 4 brothers or sisters in their family. 4 brothers or sisters? It would be 2. How many more of Emma's classmates have 2 brothers or sisters than 5 or more brothers or sisters? How many of Emma's classmates have 2 brothers or sisters than 5 brothers or sisters? You would take this number, they want the difference, subtract this number, it would be 7 minus 1, and it would be 6. Emma has how many classmates altogether? How do we find that number? What do you think, guys? You would add up the number of children. This is the number of children. So you're just going to add up those tally marks. 3 plus 9 plus 7 plus 5 plus 2 plus 1 is 27. So you should have written 27 here, and that's it. This portion down here, you don't have to do. So I do not need this worksheet back. However, what you're going to do next is the following worksheet, and it would say 220, 221 at the bottom. Good luck, guys, and if you have any questions at all, do not hesitate to email me. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.